What's going on, the truckers? This picture has been going viral today, and I just need an explanation from you guys to what's going on out there. For our new truck drivers out there, I know at times you got to slide your tandems so that you could adjust your axles so that your weight is always legal in your load. But what the heck happened here? I have been driving for the last 10 years, moving furniture. I've seen a lot of fun stuff, but I've never seen this. I mean, people are going into the comments and they are just saying that this must be a new option. This must be Optimus Prime transforming. Like, how do you mess this up this bad is what some people are saying. But Mutha truckers, comment down below. Let me know exactly what happened here, because this, I would give it a perfect 10, because some people are saying he was just trying to shift his load to the front. That's all he was doing, was adjusting his load. Mother truckers, what do you think he was doing? Because I think that was an $80,000 trailer, and now it's probably a $20,000 trailer.